Good. Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? I'm going to do the stress test with the S9 and I2, so let's get started. And, I'm going to do a stress test, too. So
all right. Whoa! Ooh, what are those?
Little plastic poly pellets.
Nice. They're everywhere. Ooh, this is going to be a good test.
So, I don't know what I am doing, but I'm going to do a lot of viewers.
All right. Like and subscribe.
So, like and subscribe.
I think there's still some rice next to the fish tank table over there from this last stress test.
I don't know what I'm doing, but
All right. Let's get started.
So, after I spread this out, I just got. So, let's do over here. Spread it over there.
It's good.
So, we only have a couple more beads for me left. Let's get all these things out. Control.
That's enough beads.
Oh, the little confetti's in there.
Oh, that's it. All right.
So, I tell all these viewers what to do or do it. I don't know what I am doing, but that side is better than I2. And, I don't know what I am talking about, but
Yeah, you do. Why don't you start them up?
I think I'll start them up. This is the S9. This is the I2. Let's get started.
Do you like doing stress tests?
I'm doing a stress test. So they're all coming out.
Nice.
I don't know what. So, yep. So it's a lot of.
Oh, they're doing great right off the bat. Oh, nice. I don't think it's going to take them that long at all. Oh, they're dancing.
I don't know about like dancing, but like cleaning. So I don't know what I am doing. No, but no. Just took like 2 minutes.
Which Roomba do you like the best out of these two?
Maybe this one, I don't know what, but I think that one, that's fine.
Yeah. Oh. Where did we get confetti from? My laundry basket stopped this one.
Oh, Okay. I choose going in the kitchen.
Oh man.
So, I'm going to get loose. That's our favorite guy in the world.
I like him too.
I was ready to go home. Ready to go home now. We're in the middle of the video.
Is that what that means?
What?
Does he need a charge or something?
No. I just press the clean button and then it removes the charge. So what's sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.
Should we get another Roomba to replace him?
Maybe I could just get still works.
Oh, did he get caught on something? That doesn't sound good. What is happening with this guy? Maybe he was just making funny noises. Didn't it sound weird? He's still second step up though.
What are you talking about? I know what you're talking about.
He's back in business.
He's a good boy.
Watch out. I like that blue light. That means that he detects more dirt still, so he goes back over it. I want him to go all the way to that corner because there's still rice over there. Nice. That's what we needed it to do. Oh no. It turned around. Did they get the rice and stuff over there? From the other video? Oh, it's coming back. That's okay. It'll go back there eventually. It's doing a great job. Your one-man show, S9. The I2 gave up after 2 seconds. Usually the I2 does great. You're going to just put all the duds in a pile? Oh, if they air.
A pile of arrow Roombas that are over here. Like, as I airs out, I can put it on the I2.
Makes sense.
I'm trying to make a pile like that.
Go grab another Roomba. See if they can help your S9 over here. Maybe go grab Daddy. Which is this one?
The I7.
I'll get the light, don't worry. Good job. That's hard work. Holy camole.
I could like march with it.
Man, you're strong. Holy moly. Alright, you think it could help out this S9? Oh, he's doing great. This S9 is kicking butt. He's like, oh, hello, friend. Have you come to help me? Nice. This i7 got right to work.
Not right to work. Instead of the I2, he just gave up. The guy
That i2 just gave right up.
I2 just gave up. We're not cleaning. He just gave up.
The i7 and the S9, they're like the creme de la creme of the Roombas.
They're like a pro.
Yeah, they're the best ones.
Like a pro. That is like a pro.
I'm hoping he gets, yeah, there you go. I'm hoping he gets right up in there. We'll let him go back and forth. I want him to go all the way to that corner again and get the rice from the other day. Look at this floor's almost clean now.
Except go right here.
Yeah, he's gonna go all the way back. You could do it, i7.
You can do it, I said it.
Keep going. We got all this rice in this corner. Yay. Good job.
Good job, I love that.
That was from our last stress test.
So far.
Look at this. It's almost spotless. Got like one little bead there. Couple over here. It flung some on the floor. Are you checking it? Yeah, it sucked up a lot. Are you gonna go empty?
Yeah.
I wonder how long it is before this one self-empties. He'll move. He was just checking on his friend. He's like, how you doing there? Did you lose your britches? You want me to help you? Just sort of stick it in and push. There you go. Perfect. Oh. It just ran over your thing. Why don't you pick the lid up from your 670?
Yeah.
Put it on top of something. There, it's like a little angel Roomba plus now.
Be like a Roomba.
Oh, they're both coming over here. He's gotta be soon. Oh, they're doing so good. Look, I barely see anything. Oh, we got a couple more pieces. Sucking your foot up. Well, let him go so that he could do his job. How do you feel about this stress test?
Really good.
Yeah, it is.
You know what?
This is a good
Darn
idea.
it. You know
You know what you're doing.
Darn it, yeah. I don't know what I am doing, but
You know what you're doing.
darn it. I don't know what I am doing. I don't know. Hello. What's Roomba's gonna kiss?
Ah. What's their names?
That
What's this one's name?
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo?
That one's
Stella.
Stella.
Yeah, you were right there first time, yeah. Cuckoo and Stella.
We're gonna send all these Roombas home.
Did they get everything? Looks like it. Making their descent home.
Maybe the I-7 will win. We don't know. Maybe the I-7 will win this match.
Maybe.
It'll win this match. Oh.
They missed a few on the floor, but we could get them with a broom. I think they would have got them if we didn't send them home.
So I don't know what I am talking about. I don't know what I am doing, but I don't know what I am doing, but
You know what you're doing. Why do you say that?
cheese, the more for your heart, the more you eat, the more you fart.
You're silly.
The more you eat cheese, the more you eat beans. I don't know what, but the more you fart.
What are you telling jokes now?
Yeah. That's nice and way.
He'll get there.
Yeah.
He's just moving around.
Hey, Ogo. Hey, Coco.
He'll get it.
Hello, Cuckoo. From up here. Woo! It'd be like a Roomba attack. That's nice winning.
Oh,
Good job.
he's totally winning, but I don't think he's centered. You think? He's gonna have to back up and center himself, I think. He's like, oh, I'm not correct. Oh, look at the I-7's going home. Is he gonna win? He's not centered either. Oh man, this is a close race. Whoever could get centered on their dock first wins. Man, here they go.
Maybe that. Oh,
What? Where's the I-7 going now? What's the S9 doing? We don't know what's happening.
I'm just giving up. This one's not really doing anything.
He'll figure it out. He was right there. Oh, I think he's going to win right now. Come on, I-7. You were so close.
Come on, that's
It's a race to the finish. I think the S9's going to do it. Oh, the I-7 looks like he's getting there. Oh, this I-7 doesn't know what's up. Oh, self-empty. Oh, and the I-7 just docked in a close second, I-7.
Hi.
No, I-7 was second. Second place. The S9 won.
That's a close one.
It was a good race.
Let's check the bag. Whoa, holy crap.
You want to go empty it?
I don't know what, but I'm not just gonna check the bin and see how.
All right, guys. We're signing off.
So,
Over and out, say.
oh no, I am just putting the bag in. I just gonna separate this. Separate. Just gonna separate. just have to separate.
Is it being crazy?
And tell the viewers I'm done.